In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious lemon glazed cookie recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 3/4 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 stick of butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and half a cup of powdered sugar. In a bowl, we're going to add the butter and mash it until it's completely smooth. Add in the sugar and mix completely. Add in the brown sugar and mix until completely combined. Add in the egg. Add the vanilla extract, half the lemon juice, and the lemon zest and mix until everything is completely combined. Add in the baking soda and the salt. Slowly add in the flour while mixing until everything is completely combined. We're going to scoop out our cookies onto a baking sheet, and we want to make sure that they're evenly spread out. Place them in the fridge for 15 minutes. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Once our cookies are out of the oven, we're going to take them off of the baking pan and we're going to let them cool completely. While the cookies are cooling, we're going to take the powdered sugar and the lemon juice, and we're going to mix them together until we have a glaze. Transfer this glaze into a Ziploc bag. We're going to cut a small tip off of the piping bag, and we're going to drizzle our icing onto each of the cookies. Our lemon glazed cookies are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy!